sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be inspired.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victory and Judges. So in my last video I talked about doing a tutorial for you guys on how to create an home DIY photo shoot studio. This tutorial is gonna come in two parts. So in the first part, which is today, I will teach you how to create the actual photo studio in your house using basic equipment at home with no stress, no technicality. And in the second video, which will be next week, I'm going to teach you how to edit the pictures you took in the photo studio with just your Android mobile phone. One thing you're going to need is a black cloth. Yes, a black cloth. For me, it was actually my black cotton. This was what I used. A black cloth hanged or clipped somewhere. And a window source, which is my light source, facing directly in front of me. I don't have lighting, so I make use of natural source of light. Another thing you'll be needing is a stand. Yes, this is what you'll be needing. So and you're ready. So let me show you how it looks like. A black cloth, a clip, and you position your phone, and bang, we have our set ready for our photo shoot. Hi guys, it's me. So I am taking myself random pictures. Yeah, it's more like a DIY house photo.
Then spending my day with you, my life sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification bell to get notification on my next video on the next series, which is actually editing series. Oh my god, it's gonna be so exciting. So adios.